Good morning, you guys. So today I wanted to bring you along with us. We are headed out to do some nature study, nature walk for the weather is just really nice where we live. If you're wondering, is she really in a tank top and it's January, you're correct. It is really warm where we live, so we're gonna go ahead and head out into nature to explore and just enjoy the nice weather. The kids back there are having their sandwiches before we head out, but nature study is an important part of our homeschool, and a lot of you guys have asked to see kind of how we do nature study. At the beginning of the homeschool year, I showed you guys a curriculum we were gonna be implementing called Exploring Nature with Children. We have still continued to use that, but not on a completely regular basis because it's more structured than what I think my kids enjoy doing, but they do have their nature journals in a backpack, so we are going to spend time doing that. So I'm just going to bring you guys along and you can see how we nature study.
If that's a bush, that's the hottest one I ever seen. It's spitting out seeds, littering.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I say it kind of looks like Africa.
Africa. The dirt turned red.
Careful with the cactus. Looks like it's like a little stepway. See, there's a little one and a big one.
Look at all the cactuses.
I hate how Arizona has my favorite cactus. See, dried out cactuses. I'm gonna drop that one.
Oh, some steps up here.
Whoa, there's a tunnel thing.
This side over here is all dry, see? And that side is all green.
Maybe because it has more shade.
Maybe.
This is a huge rock. Where? Dad. Dad. Dad, is this a big spider fish open?
You found spider webs?
Eggs.
Eggs, don't touch. Maybe.
Did I touch one?
Oh, on the rock right there, huh? Yeah.
Good.
Leave them alone.
Good one. I don't care about spiders. It kind of looks like a jungle. Mommy, no, it's shady.
Yeah, shady, huh? Oh, cool, a little tunnel.
Yep. No, we're not even high. Yeah, we are.
That's cool.
It's like a red bush with green leaves.
Yeah.
I bet that is a bush. Yeah. Yep, it's red and green. Mine's red and green.
Red and green. What'd you find, Landon?
Moss.
Moss.
And Mom, look at another Santa's favorite bush. Wait, this is weird. Look, this rock has bumps.
That is weird.
The warts. Oh, don't touch it. The warts will get you. No, this is a real wart. Look at that hole.
There's the moss.
Snakes can fit in there. Where's moss?
This.
Oh. Yeah. More moss. More moss. Coyote poo. Mom, look at coyote poo.
Coyote poo.
Coyote dropping.
Coyote dropping.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go.
It's the first one. Fresh corn.
What'd you find?
A berry.
Do you think those are poisonous?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. See them right on here.
Look what's inside. Lots of berries.
Poisonous ones.
They also make you look cool.
Thirsty?
Mm-hmm. I think I have a thorn on my belly, on my chest. Yeah, it's a thorn.
I don't think you have a thorn.
Take it out. Want to see it?
Gonna have some snacks.
Caleb, do you want some?
The date is 1-30-18. What are you gonna draw in your nature journal, Betty?
A bunny, a cactus.
Look at me. A bunny and a cactus?
One of those big thorn things and the mountains.
Ah, what are you gonna draw?
Wait, and a boulder. A rabbit.
A rabbit?
I'm gonna draw a lizard.
A lizard.
And a boulder. And I'll do
Gonna include some details?
And I'll
So we finished up our hiking now. In total, we went about almost 4 miles total all together. We checked out 2 different trails, and part of the fun for us is seeing new trails that we haven't seen before, and we found one that we're gonna come back and check out again when we have more time. But what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is pass out the kids' nature journals that are in this backpack, and all I ask is that they include some detail that they saw, whether that be the name of the trail or the coloring of something they noticed. And so I'm gonna go ahead and pass that out to them in the car, so that'll give them something to do on the way home. And that is really going to summarize how we do nature study in our homeschool. We just pick a nice day, pack some snacks, go on an adventure, find a trail, and take in what we see. I really don't like to do anything more formalized than that right now because it's working and it's enjoyable for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any other questions for me, post them in the comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.